news as we come on the air this afternoon. I-75 northbound near the Michigan state line is closed. Michigan State Police say a semi-truck driver crashed into multiple vehicles which were protecting MDOT workers on the side of the highway. This is impacting traffic near NATO Road. Troopers say the semi-driver died and several MDOT workers have minor injuries. If you're headed to the airport today, you can take Telegraph Road or US 23. Here's a look right now at some of the incredible damage. That truck spilled its load all over the highway. MSP says I-75 northbound at the state line will be closed as a result for an unknown time as they clean up and investigate this situation.